Let's learn the meanings of some commonly used short forms today. VS. This is a Latin word which stands for against. Example: Sri Lanka versus India match starts at 7 p.m. iPhone versus Android, which is better? When to use: comparisons, competitions such as sports, debates, or battles and opposing ideas. ETC stands for etc., which means and the rest in Latin. Example: I bought apples, bananas, oranges, etc. You need pens, books, papers, etc. When to use: when a list continues, but you don't want to mention everything. Commonly used in informal or semi-formal writing. Tip: don't overuse it in formal writing. AKA stands for also known as. Example: my brother, AKA the family chef, made dinner today. The city of Mumbai, AKA Bombay. When to use: when referring to nicknames, stage names, or alternative names. E.g. refers to for example in Latin. Example: you should eat fruits, for example, apples and bananas. When to use: giving examples in formal or academic writing. Trick: e.g. equals example given. I.e. stands for that is, or in other words, in Latin. Example: he is a polyglot, that is, he speaks many languages. When to use: clarifying or rephrasing, or when making something more specific. Trick: i.e. equals in essence. FYI stands for your information. Example: FYI, the meeting is postponed. When to use: emails, messages, or in informal and professional communication. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. Example: please send the report ASAP. When to use: urgent requests, work emails, or messages. DIY stands for do it yourself. Example: I made this table. It's a DIY project. When to use: crafts, home projects, or tutorials. Thanks for watching.